still. Okay, so first of all, go to Google and download. You have to use 25 version or 21 version. That is one thing. If you don't have, or if you have a old version or any other version, uninstall or install again. Okay, downloads JDK. Okay, go to, and so you can see here they clearly mention JDK 25 is the long term support LTS release, or 21st previous long term support. So if you have a LTS, you can use those version. Okay, that will work. Okay, so you can see I selected, you can like that, you can select. So I selected 25th version. Okay, in my system we have a old one, but if you don't have, you can just if you have a 17 also, that is fine, but after 17 I'm not sure other version how it is working or not. Okay, but you can not face any issue in the future, go for 25th or 21. 17 is working, then click on this. Okay, and one, so you have to select 64 installer and this bin.exe file. Okay, so it's downloading. So once it will download, right, you will get, I'm not sure I have in my system, let me check. JDK download. It's there, you can see previously we have downloaded for this, so you will get this icon, this exe file, you will get it. What you have to do, just you have to install like any other software you are installing in your project. So in my system it's already there. Don't do anything, just you can follow the next steps. All the steps you have to follow, just click on the next, don't change anything while doing the installation. Once you will install, right, so you can first go in the C drive, and in the program folders you will see this Java folder. Okay, or you will see the version of what the you have installed. Those things you have to do. Okay, the people who is joining the class late, sorry, not late, this is disconnected in our side. Okay, so we will just go through the recording once. So recommendation is 17 is working, also 21 and 25. So whatever you can, what means want, you have to install it for long support version. So you can see in this folder you will get it. And one more thing guys, the people have a multiple JDK in the folder, please delete it. It will create a problem for you. If you have a old version or any other JDK or JRE or old folder in this path, right, please delete it. Okay, so I will do the practice on edit plus. Okay, so this is the software. I will write the Java code. This is the one type of the note plus plus, you can say, or notepad. Okay, where we can do the practice. But before that, in your case might be after installation, right, if you will run this Java hyphen version, so you will get some error also. Okay, so what we can do, even in the future or anywhere, you have to set the path of this JDK. Okay, so go to search here, environmental, edit the environment. Okay, and go to the environmental variable. Okay, and go to the system variable. Okay, go to the system variable, and you have to click new right here, Java home. This name is not like that key you have to write only this will work, but when you are working in the project and all, we follow some standard. That's why I just written in this naming convention. This is a standard name of variable name. Understood, right? So if you will write any other things will also work, but right? That is not recommendation. Okay, so after that, what you can do, go to your JDK till this, copy this path and paste it here. Okay, this thing you have to do also. Okay, so just click on the OK. Okay, just we are going to set Java path in your system. And this is the one thing you have to do in your system variable. I just have a cancel. And second thing, what you have to do, go to the path in this path and go to the bin folder, copy this till bin and just go for new and paste it here. Okay, so in my case, it's already there. You can see now. So every software what you are using, so this all the things we have to set when you will run the code from the command prompt, then it will be a recognize. Otherwise, you will get some Java not found something error. Okay, even we are not running all the code from the command prompt, but in the future you have to run the automation test using the command prompt where JDK, Maven path, or any other software, whatever you are using, you know, what we can say, we can able to execute through the command prompt. So till now, anyone having any doubt? We have installed JDK. Let me know, guys, if you have any doubt.
Mohit, I just joined. Can you show me once again? Or else
Okay.
can you share link?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I just joined here.
Hmm.
So can I share my screen or else can you show me again?
Did you download the JDK?
Yeah, I just downloaded. It shows next, and it
Hmm.
is asking the location.
Okay, fine. You can share your screen.
Yeah.
Let me unshare. I think I have to make the host here. 1 second. Uh, this sometimes these all the software are irritating, but let me make it.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
I
you
think
are
Zoom.
not. Mm, are you able to share your screen? Can you check once?
Yeah.
Oh,
Send
then
request. You can request sharing for this meeting.
okay, fine. I think yeah, fine. Go. Yeah, share it.
Okay. Sorry.
Did you install? Okay. Click on
Yeah.
next. Click on next. Click on next.
Wait.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. I think this is disturbing me. Yeah. This one. Okay.
No problem. Click on next.
Okay. C
Don't do any.
drive.
Don't do anything. Click on OK. Hmm. Click on next.
Next.
Hmm. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. Why it is asking same? Okay. Can you?
Yeah. I don't
Uh,
know why.
okay. Can you select a C drive once?
Yeah. Let me.
Uh, Is it selectable or not? No.
It
Okay.
is not selectable.
Okay. Can you click on OK again? Click on
Okay.
OK again. Hmm. Wait. 1 second. It's the same location. Click on next. Okay. 1 second. Can you do cancel it? Cancel. क्लोज
Answer.
करो इसको विंडो को क्लोज करो हाँ क्लोज बटन इज द राइट क्लोज इट
Close.
हाँ क्लोज इट ओके कैन यू हाँ यस डू यस ओके go to go to your C drive.
Okay.
Hmm. Go to the same path.
Same
Program
path.
files. Go to program files. Program files.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Do you have any Java folder here?
I'm not sure. Java program files.
Okay, I think you don't have. Okay, Can you go to second task manager
Java.
once? No, no, it's not there. We'll check it on the command prompt. Go to task manager once. Task manager.
Task manager, where is it?
In the tab, right? In your window tab, if you'll do right click, you will get
There.
the task manager. Yeah, not there, not there. This tab है ना, you have to just do right click.
Okay.
Huh. Where you can, what I can say, task manager, where all the application is
Yeah.
running in your system. Yeah. Do you check some JDK is running here? Can you maximize this? Maximize. Window को maximize करो. So guys, anyone
Yes,
is
yes.
facing the same issue? Anyone is facing the same issue?
Oh, Mohit, no.
No. Okay.
No.
Okay. I
I think
think.
these files are running.
Sorry.
Only these files are running.
Uh, that is fine. Okay. Can you go to again where you have downloaded? Go to download
Yeah.
folder. Yeah. Go to download folder.
Can I try it again?
Try. Try again. Hey,
Again, it is not.
one second. One second.
It's
Wait,
out
wait.
of this
Yeah, yeah,
space.
yeah. Out of disk space, it's showing. Okay. Can you go to
Okay.
your C drive? Can you go to your C drive?
Okay. Yeah, disk space is actually it seems very less.
Hmm. No, no, no. Delete some unnecessary thing in your C drive. Okay. Uh,
Uh,
it's a means recommendation key you have to install in the C drive. Okay. So might be will
Okay.
face in the compatibility issue. Okay. Can you select any other drive? Let me try it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that
Can
means
in your go to your system here. I'll check what is your space system. No.
uh,
In which drive you have this, but click
yeah, I have F drive. F drive, I have free space. E
click on
drive.
okay, no, click on the C drive once. Click on the C drive once.
Okay.
uh, Click on this PC. Click on that this PC. This PC option is then go up. Is it red?
This
Your C
PC.
drive is red.
No.
See. What you have installed this much thing. Okay, just
Okay.
do one thing. Just delete unnecessary thing and try to install. You are able to install it. Okay, guys.
Okay.
So keep ready with your JDK. Okay, so tomorrow I will have a setup with Edit Plus and we'll try to execute basics code for Java. Okay, so your assignment is everyone having the JDK in your system. Check Java version happen which version it is coming, and you guys can post on the group which version Java you have installed with your screenshot. Okay, I need everyone a screenshot for C folder you have installed JDK. Okay, before session.
Mohit, in which group actually this
WhatsApp, what?
27th October?
Yeah, WhatsApp
No,
group.
actually we can't send messages, no?
Huh? Okay, sorry. I will enable that. Okay, don't worry. I will
Okay.
enable. I will enable it. Okay. I think I disable it, but I will enable it. Okay.
Now, what should I do? Should I delete something or because
Huh?
it seems all things are important in program files, I am not able to see which
No.
one
In your
delete.
download folders or many things are there unnecessary software you can uninstall it. Okay, because if you
Okay.
don't, if your C drive is full, right? Can't install
Yeah.
any software. Okay, So please clean
Okay.
your C drive. Okay, check what
Okay.
is not
Okay.
important and clean करो उसको. We'll see it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, guys. We'll connect tomorrow. Okay. So install everyone. Keep ready with this. If anyone will face the issue, we'll try to resolve. Okay. Initial phase 1 and 2 week, it's a hard for you and little bit will go slowly because I have to cover to everyone, the people who already work, the people who is beginner. Okay, so I have to take care of everyone. Okay. Okay, guys. See you guys tomorrow. I'll try to share the recording. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.